Sometimes it is quite difficult to resize your elements in one size by using mouse. Now Canva made it very easy to change the size of your elements by using numbers and entering them in the width and height column. How to do that? Click on any post, open any post. Let's say I want to change the size of this icon. I will select it, go to the position and just change the number over here, width and height. You can see now its size is changed. If I want to apply to all rest of these four icons, what will I do? I will select these by pressing shift button and clicking on these elements. Now go to position. Here again I will change the width. Now these all are in the same size. I found it very helpful. What do you think of this? Do you like this feature of Canva? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and share my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.